Devendra Shukla and our chairman to present the medals to our students. Arts and Ritik Roshan Sharma of class 10. Earth Day that was celebrated, and the first one is for inter-class drawing competition that was held in our school. The first prize goes to Swarnadeep Majumdar, Ritesh Shah and Subhashri Burman of class 1. Next is from class 2. First is Arnab Mandal and second goes to Dikshan Sunjari. Class 2, Arnab Mandal and Dikshan Sunjari. Next is from class 3. First is Srijita Ghosh and second is Kritika Singh. Class 3, Srijita Ghosh and second is Kritika Singh. Srijita Ghosh and Kritika Singh, class 3. Next is inter-house craft competition based of waste. And the first prize goes to Dipasha Oran of class 5 and second is Tanishka Jaiswal of class 5. Inter-house craft competition based out of waste. First is Dipasha Oran of class 5 and second is Tanishka Jaiswal of class 5. Next from class 6, first prize goes to Medansh Chandra and second prize goes to Vidya Rai. It was held on Janmashtami. The first prize goes to Jasu Roy and Subhashri Burman. Jasu Roy of class 3 and Subhashri Burman of class 1. Second prize, Ritesh Shah of class 1 and Ilyana Datta of class prep. And the third prize goes to Swarnadeep Majumdar, class 1 and Simran Khatun of class 2. Once again, fancy dress competition that was held on Janmashtami. The first prize goes to Jasu Roy class 3 and Subhashri Burman class 1. And then second prize goes to Ritesh Shah class 1 and Ilyana Datta class prep. Second prize goes to Ritesh Shah class 1. And the third prize goes to Swarnadeep Majumdar, class 1 and Simran Khatun, class 2. Next was the program held on Ravindranath Jayanti, and the first competition was inter-house singing competition, and the first prize went to Red House with points 43, and the participants are Vidya Rai, class 6, Shweta Gupta, class 6, Ananya Rai, class 6, Sauni Subba, class 6, and Payal Pandit, class 5. Once more, Red House, Vidya Rai, Shweta Gupta, Ananya Rai, Sauni Subba, and Payal Pandit. The second prize went to Yellow House with 39 points, and the participants were Jessica Kerkata, Tanishka Jaiswal, Medansh Chandra, Shubham Sharma, Joyshri Burman, Gaurav Sarkar, Abhijit Burman, and Mritika Roy. Once again, for Yellow House, the participants are Jessica Kerkata, Tanishka Jaiswal, Medansh Chandra, Shubham Sharma, Joyshri Burman, Gaurav Sarkar, Abhijit Burman, and Mritika Roy. Next, the awards for the inter-house drama competition. The first prize went to Greenhouse, and the participants were Saptarishi Nag, Sashank Shekhar, and Vivek Agarwal, all from class 9. First prize, Greenhouse, Saptarishi Nag, Sashank Shekhar, and Vivek Agarwal of class 9. The second prize once again, Saptarishi Nag, Sashank Shekhar, and Vivek Agarwal of Greenhouse, and all of them are from class 9. The second prize went to Red House, and the participants are Abhijit Roy, class 9, Sarthak Kar, class 7, Shubham Roy, class 8, Kumari Aditi, class 9, and Sambhavi Rai, class 8. Once again, Abhijit Roy, class 9, Sarthak Kar, class 7, Shubham Roy, class 8, Kumari Aditi, class 9, and Sambhavi Rai, class 8. Next, for inter-class recitation, first goes to Ronika Koirala of class 12 Arts. Ronika Koirala of class 12 Arts. Second prize goes to Sagnik Roy, class 10. Sagnik Roy, class 10. And the third prize goes to Sreja Shrestha and Vivek Burman, class 10. Third prize goes to Sreja Shrestha and Vivek Burman of class 10. Next was the program that was held on World Population Day, and the competitions were inter-house essay competition, and the topic was the effects of population growth. And this is given class-wise. The first prize goes to Abu Bakr Siddiqui of class 6. First prize goes to Abu Bakr Siddiqui of class 6. Second prize goes to Jessica Kerkata of class 5. And the third prize goes to Joyshri Burman of class 4 and Medansh Chandra of class 6. First, Abu Bakr class 6. Second, Jessica Kerkata class 5. Third, Joyshri Burman class 4 and Medansh Chandra class 6. Next is the inter-class graphical presentation competition on world population, and the winner was Red House. The participants are Dhanraj Gupta, Kumari Aditi, Abhijit Roy and Said Amin Talwar. Once again, the prize for graphical presentation competition on world population, the first prize went to Red House, to Dhanraj Gupta, Kumari Aditi, Abhijit Roy and Said Amin Talwar. Next, for the competitions that were held on Independence Day. Inter-house speech competition in vernacular languages. The first prize goes to Aridro Shah of class 7. First prize goes to Aridro Shah of class 7, second prize goes to Sambhavi Rai of class 8, and the third prize goes to Grijesh Chandra of class 9. Second, Sambhavi Rai. Third, Grijesh Chandra. Now the next program that was held on Mother's Day, inter-class speech competition. The first prize goes to Srijita Ghosh and Adrija Deb of class 3. Srijita Ghosh and Adrija Deb of class 3. The second prize goes to Joyshri Burman, class 4 and Aisha Anjum of class 2. Second prize goes to Joyshri Burman of class 4 and Aisha Anjum of class 2. The third prize goes to Satyam Kumar Singh of class 4. The third prize goes to Satyam Kumar Singh of class 4. And the next one is inter-class dance competition. The first prize goes to Jessica Kerkata of class 5 and Srijita Ghosh of class 3. Jessica Kerkata of class 5 and Srijita Ghosh of class 3.